This your boy JP's Audio 0. Hey, can you see me good with the light? Can you see me good with the light? Yeah. Alright, cool. Alright. It's your boy JP's Audio 0, man, with my homeboy Steven, man. Shout out to Chris from Migraine Customs, man. Go ahead and tell him what you got real quick.
Alright, so we got 4 custom 15s in here, sundown soft arch, sundown cones on F5 triple stack BTL motors. Ported flat wall, tuned at about 31 hertz. In the trunk, we've got a Twisted Sounds 8.5K wired down at 0.5 ohm, probably doing around 12,000 watts or so at 12 volts. Powered by 5 Shuriken BT140 batteries. Gets down pretty good for a small little 4-door.
You wouldn't expect that from it's a Galant, right?
Yeah, Galant.
You wouldn't expect that from Mitsubishi Galant, but that bitch is JP's Audio certified, baby. If you want to get it right, you gotta go to Migraine Customs, man. Holler at my homeboy Chris or my homeboy Steven, man. They get you right, baby. Signing out.